Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make keto fried chicken. And honestly, it's not even keto because it's practically fat-free. So it's a super high protein fried chicken. My boys were eating Culver's. I was craving their chicken strips from Culver's. So I have a customer, of course, who taught me how to make this. Lisa, thank you, I love you. And before we start, I just want you to see, you can also make cheese sticks. 6 of these is actually one meal. Cornbread here, 6 of these is one meal. This tastes like real cornbread, and these taste like real cheese sticks, guys. We also got new recipes. 4 out of 4 customers so far like the new recipe, so that'll be coming soon. Anyway, let's get started. If you have a meal kit and you get the plain chicken and you get the garlic bread mix, okay, you can make fried chicken as a meal in the meal kit. So all I do is I'm going to take a ball of the chicken, I'm going to dip it in egg whites, and then I'm going to dip it in the garlic bread mix, and then I'm going to put it on my Dash Express, or you could put it in a skillet. I'm going to spray this because this over and over again. Dip it in the egg, dip it in the garlic bread mix, set it down. We're gonna do this for a minute, we're gonna flip it, and then this is all one meal, and you could still do even more than that, okay? We'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna flip it now. See how it looks when you flip it? That's all you gotta do. You can dip it in barbecue sauce, you can dip it in ranch, you can dip it in tzatziki, you can dip it in whatever you want. But this is how we eat. Comfort food, half the calories, super clean, low carb, low fat, high protein. There's about 30 grams of protein right here in this chicken right here with the mix. Okay, guys? Well, even more than that with the egg whites. But we love you. I hope this just gives you a little bit more variety. If you want to see more recipes like this, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and just click on recipes and you can place an order there. And if you live nearby, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.